first. Hi. Hi.
Oh, guys, this is my house. See, this is my kitchen. Let's go to my kitchen, guys. Oh, mind your step. Mind your red flag. Ano, wala. Maghihiwalay
I thought
kayo.
this is your room.
This is my living room and my kitchen and my...
Where?
Yeah.
Where's your...
My freezer also is
Okay.
here. Invisible, you know, you can just see.
Okay.
Just imagine, whenever you touch this one, it's come out the water.
Ah, okay.
Ay,
Oh, yo.
The sea. The buto will come out here. And because, you know, I just mop my floor. It's so very slippery. You know, every time you slip it, then you
Just
start-
let it go. Let it go.
Yeah, let it go. You wanna build a snowman.
Na.
Na.
Lumbat na mi. Bilis na mag-charge na mi tayo
And
dyan.
hello guys, let's go out. Yeah.
This is your...
The ceiling and the chandelier.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah, see? It's so blinking everywhere.
Oh,
It's so
wow.
colorful. Yeah.
Okay, that's the end of the story, guys. Oh, you're here. It's your visitor.
Come visit my house. Yeah.
It's another one.
Can we use your bedroom?
Yeah, sure. You can lie down there. You can enjoy yourself. Yeah, lie down. Welcome to my house. Yeah, it's okay. You can use.